Hello everyone, welcome back to Cleanastic. So today we're going to do another review of one of our favorite cleaning products. It is Scrubbing Bubbles. Now this is a fantastic cleaning product to get your bathroom looking good, killing bacteria, and most importantly it has a good scent. And today our bathtub is looking pretty funky. Can you please show them how our bathtub look like?
Oh, of course.
As you can see in the bathtub, you have hair, dirt, and everything that comes off your body when you are taking a bath. Now typically, we normally spend about 45 minutes to clean our bathtub the right way, so we decided that we need to cut time, and we did our research. We found out that Scrubbing Bubbles is one of the best products to clean it. So we hope you stay tuned, we hope you watch the whole video, and we guarantee you that you will be convinced to buy this product the same day. So stay tuned.
This is how you can use Scrubbing Bubbles. Step 1. Keep the bottle a few centimeters away. Spray the surface and wait between 15 seconds and 3 minutes. Step 2. Wipe the foam with a sponge or a cloth. Step 3. Rinse the surface with water to leave a shiny surface. Scrubbing Bubbles can be used on multiple surfaces, including showers, sinks, bathtubs, tiles, shower doors, any fiberglass, vinyl, and stainless steel bathroom surfaces. Scrubbing Bubbles also works upside down to ensure that hard-to-reach areas are also cleaned. It directly penetrates and dissolves tough stains on bathroom surfaces.
So we hope you like this review of Scrubbing Bubbles. This is a perfect cleaning product for your bathroom. You cut through dirt and grime so easily. So thank you for watching this video.
Please don't forget to follow us on YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and yeah, like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.
That's right!
Bye!
So we hope you liked our little short review of Scrubble Bubble Duggle Cuckoo. Hello everyone, welcome again to Cleanastic. Well, today we're going to be doing a cleaning review on one of our favorite bathroom cleaner, is Scrubbing Bubbles. So appreciate you, please like and subscribe. We created to get rid of that hard stinking stuff that I just want to kiss.